Oh, and he might have it. He might have it. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a decent little bass. There we go. Go and hit that. Oh, there we go. There's a smallie. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another creek fishing video. And actually today we're gonna be fishing a little tiny creek in the middle of a town. I saw it coming over one of these bridges and thought we should at least try it out, because you never know what's gonna be in them. But one real thing I want to say real quick before we get into this video is that this video will actually come out on my 1-year anniversary of uploading on this channel. And I wasn't expecting too much within my first year, maybe 15, 20 subscribers. I couldn't imagine that I would have at least 200 in a full year. But yeah, I can't believe I've gotten to 200 subscribers in a year. That is actually insane. For someone like me, I can't believe I can get to that kind of milestone. So I want to thank everybody who has subscribed, watched my video, even if it's the full thing or if it's the first 10 seconds. Just really thankful for everybody who has at least given my channel a chance. But I got a little trout magnet on. I'm on my normal creek fishing rod and reel setup. Got a 6-pound leader with 8-pound braid. So it's not going to be the best for this small of a lure, but I can still cast it a little ways, and there's a lot of minnows coming to get it. We've got a baby smallmouth right here and a little sunfish. Oh, there we go. Got something. Oh, it's a little smallmouth. It's a little smallmouth. Really small. Oh, he's in this weed. He's got me caught up in the weeds. I don't know how he's done that. There we go. He almost took my trout magnet. But baby little smallmouth. He's got a good belly on him though, for this small little creek. He's been feasting up pretty good. Anything over there? Oh. Go on, pick it up. Oh. There we go. Oh, I watched him eat it. Then he took off. That is probably one of the smallest smallmouths I've ever caught. Whoa. I need to invest into like a micro setup at some point. But look at that guy. Super small. Good little smallmouth though. Man. Oh yeah. Oh, something's eating that up. Eat it up. Oh, no way. They've actually took it. They actually took my trout magnet. Gone and got another lure. It's a little tiny crawfish. Little tiny trout magnet crawfish. Through the back and out like that. That should be pretty good, I think. I think this might get more smallmouth bites too. There's a little smallie right in front of me. Hit that. Oh, hit it. There we go. Oh, I really hope y'all could have seen that. He come up to about right there. Look at that. That's a good smallmouth. That was first cast with the little crawfish. Oh, man. That was really nice. Oh, oh, we'll just take that. There we go. Oh, look at that. I think that's a little rock bass. Oh, yes. Right on top of the lip. There we go. Top of the lip, little rock bass. Oh man, there's a lot of sunfish right here. Eat it up, eat it up. Yeah. Eat that mug. Let me try this cast one more time. Oh, what is that? Something hit it. There we go. Oh, I think it's a little long ear. Look at that. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's a red breast. Look at that, what a red breast sunfish. Really cool looking. Really cool. Something hit that. Oh, got one. There we go. What is this? Oh, it's a little minnow. Little minnow, look at that. I'm not really good on my minnow species, but I think that might be a bull shad. I could be wrong though. Look at them go. They're just slowly going off. Oh, that's new. Oh, there we go. Got another one. Oh, this one's a... I don't know what this one is. Oh, he jumped out of my hand. Man, he jumped out of my hand and I hooked myself actually. Alright, let's take another cast. Man, that one hurt. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a bass. Look at that. I didn't even feel him hit it. I didn't even see him hit it. I just went to lift my lure up and it was a lot heavier. Another little rock bass. I'm getting a lot of bites out of this dark hole over here. And I mean, this is not a wide creek at all. I mean, I'm barely on the other side of the bank. And I'm not casting far. Let's get in there. Something hit it. Oh. Oh, hit that. The bass. Oh, and he might have it. He might have it. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a decent little bass. Oh, there's like 2, 3 of them. Oh my goodness. This is a good bass. This bass just come out of this creek. That is crazy. Oh, that's a nice smallie. Fat old belly on him. I mean, he's nowhere near a pound, but that's a good smallie. Whoa, and I think I saw 2 more in there. So we're gonna try it again. Let's see what's in this dark hole. Oh. Something's got it. Oh, something's got, yeah, something does have it. Okay. Oh, look at that. I believe that's a red ear. That kind of looks like a red ear to me. That's a new species. Nice. It looks like is a baby red ear, but I don't exactly know. Let me know if y'all know what that is. There we go. Oh, smallmouth's got him. There we go. Oh, that's not a smallie. That's another rock bass. There we go. Another little rock bass. Oh, got one. You barely have to set the hooks on these guys too. What is that? We've caught another one. I don't know what it is exactly. I want to say like a red ear hybrid, but I could be wrong. Damn serious, this creek hasn't gotten deeper than my shins. Oh, there we go too. Oh, a little bass. Little rock bass again. But it's actually, oh my goodness. It's actually a pretty good rock bass. Look at that. That's a nice size rock bass for a creek like this. Very nice. Look, there he goes behind me. Going in a little hole. There we go. That's a good cast. Oh, there we go. That looks like another rock bass. If I could get him. Stop it. He was barely hooked. Side of the lip. Another little rock bass. There we go. Oh. There we go. Got a smallie. Oh, it's got another one following him as well. There we go. I noticed the smallies are hiding in these real dark holes under rocks and stuff, just waiting for something to get in its way. And he crunched it. Beautiful little smallmouth. I want to see if I can get one of the ones that was following him as well. Going back over here, because the smallie might come up. Oh yeah, go and hit that. Oh, there we go. Another smallie. Next cast. There we go. Stop it. Man, this crawl is tearing them up too. Another little smallie. Anything else in there? Oh, there we go. What is this? Another little rock bass? That's another one from this little hole. Look at that. I haven't moved at all in the past like 5 fish. There's just so much in this little area. Oh, I almost had another one. There we go. I got him. Another little rock bass. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. And these things are loaded in here. Got a little waterfall up here. Oh. There's a little largemouth in front of me. Don't know if he'll eat. Eat it. But there's a little hole up here, and I'm betting that there'd be some kind of bass in there. So let's try it out. We're under the waterfall. Oh, there we go. Got one. I think it's a smallie. It is. Look at that. A small little smallmouth, but pretty good for this creek. Alright, we're starting to go back downstream. There wasn't really anything at that little waterfall, but I think that's a smallmouth right there. There he is. Oh no! Oh no, it's another species. I think it's a largemouth. Oh. Let's see what we have here. We do. We have a little largemouth. Look at that. Little largemouth. Really cool though. So far today we've gotten a largemouth, a smallmouth, a rock bass, I think 2 different types of sunfish. We're back at one of the first holes we hit, and I haven't really got anything on my way back. We've gotten a few nibbles. Oh, yep, a few nibbles, and that's it. So I guess this is going to be the end of the video. I got to head back upstream to find my vehicle. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all wanted me to get in smaller streams and see what I can find in them, see if there's any fish in them, let me know. You're just sometimes amazed of what's in there. Anyhow, one more time, thank you so much for this first year being on YouTube. I got some catching cooks hopefully coming up. I got some more different creeks coming up. Maybe a little bit of kayaking. And I might be getting into some challenges because y'all like the last one I did. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.